Well, I was on my way to work and I got rear-ended. I was actually parked at a stoplight and somebody hit me from behind and hit me into a school bus. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured, but I immediately called Jim to get advice on what to do in that situation. And I'd been told that in a car accident, sometimes the pain doesn't come on until a few days later. That definitely was the case, so I was happy that I had already been seen by a doctor and treatment had started by the time the pain really started to kick in. He gives a very personalized approach, so he's very realistic about what happens in the beginning. He's always available. He has a very personal touch. He explains things very well, so you kind of know what's going on each step of the way. And then if you ask a question, you can reach out to him via email or by phone, and he's always responsive. I received a letter from the insurance company, and essentially if I signed that piece of paper, I would have signed my rights away and gotten paid something like $184 or something like that. So I was able to, I actually was able to take a picture of it, email it right to Jim, and let him handle it. So I'm in the position now, represented by Jim, that anything comes my way from the insurance company or any communication, if he's not CC'd on it, I just forward it right on to him and he handles it for me. In the end, we did make the decision to litigate. So, we had all the options. Jim laid the options out. We weighed them together and in the end, decided to take that action. I believe, and I think the evidence is strong with, with what Jim has told me, that that the outcome is going to be positive. But in the end, I think we're doing what's in the best interest of myself and my family. Jim Monaghan has been a valuable resource for me and my family for a number of years. We met in a referral group and I used him for something small and then a larger case, so he's been my go-to for anything I need in terms of law or legal advice. Yes, I would absolutely recommend Jim Monaghan for anything having any legal matters. I met Jim in a referral group, and I actively, in the business community, look for people to refer, and I would absolutely trust Jim Monaghan with anything, again, having to do with legal advice, personal injury, or otherwise.